What's up guys, my name's Caitlin Morris and I teach technology at Signature Premier Properties. So today we have a very basic tutorial. I'm just going to explain contact statuses a little bit and how to change them for your client. So why contact status is important. First, it's a way to organize your CRM. If you saw my tutorial on filters, that's a great way to organize it. Also, when you send schedule mass emails, you can send by status. So if you're trying to send to a group of people, maybe your sphere, this is another way contact statuses are important. And lastly, campaigns. There are smart campaigns, which are a series of automated calls, texts, and emails that if turned on can run for an entire contact status group. And that's pure automation. I have a tutorial on that as well. But if you're getting into campaigns, it's really important that you understand statuses and categorize your contacts correctly. Status overview. Starting at the most general, the first contact status type is sphere. Sphere is pretty much anyone you know who may or may not be searching for real estate. The next more specific would be prospect, and that's contacts you've met that you may have contact information for that you're trying to convert to a real estate lead. They might not be actively searching at the moment. By putting them as prospect, your efforts are trying to convert them into a lead. Next, new leads. New leads are leads that have come in organically through your website. And this is different from active leads, which are also leads that have come in through your website that have responded to any communication from you. So if a new lead comes in and they respond to you, it'll be switched to active. Next, clients. Those are people that you're actively working with, actively showing homes. This is for contacts that have gone under contract. And lastly, closed. This is for people you closed on. Once you close on a contact, you should switch their contact information to closed. And there is a great campaign that'll follow up with them for the next year that asks for referrals, says, I can't believe it's already been 6 months. How's everything going with the move? It'll ask for a testimonial. So that's one of my favorite campaigns. And it starts when you switch their status to closed. If you go into your smart campaigns and turn on the closed campaign and then switch their status to closed, which I'll show you how to do right now, the campaign will run. How to change a status for your contacts. If you go to your smart CRM on the left-hand side and then click on the contact to open their profile, right at the top, you see client journey with all the statuses. So right now, this is a lead I set up for myself just to test it out. I have it as a new lead. Let's say I just closed on this person and I want the campaign to run. First, I have to go in and turn the campaign on. I have a tutorial on campaigns, but then I would just click into their contact. And then at the top, the check mark that says closed, click on there. Are you sure this action could remove or affect the currently assigned smart campaign? Just click on yes, and now the status is changed. So quick overview on statuses. I hope you found it helpful, and let me know if you have any questions.